Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix missing 1095A file reject. So first head over to TurboTax and make sure that you're logged into your account. First and foremost is make sure that you have a copy of your 1095A form. But if you don't have, head over to HealthCare.gov, log into your account and download it. Next, head back to TurboTax. Click on any button for us to be redirected to our dashboard. Then in the left panel, click on Federal, then click on Deductions and Credits. Next, scroll down and look for Affordable Care Act or Form 1095A. Then you might have an option to start or add and edit. Just click on the button. And from here, you will be asked question, do you need to report any 1095As? Make sure that you pick yes. Then proceed by clicking on continue. And from here, all you have to do is fill in all the necessary information about your 1095A form. Then once all the details are filled out correctly and accurately, you can proceed by clicking on continue. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!